Hey guys, AJV here. So for now, we're going to make fluffy Japanese pancake. It's so easy. Ganito lang guys. Sundin nyo lang ang aking ginagawa at siguradong makakagawa rin kayo ng ganito ka-lambot, ka-fluffy na pancake. Hey guys, para makagawa ng fluffy Japanese pancake, all you're gonna need is 3 large egg, but since I use smaller, I do add 1 more extra egg. And then separate nyo yung egg yolk saka white. Mix nyo yung egg yolk with milk. Then flour. I use 2 cups of flour and half a cup of milk. Better use the whole milk guys, mas maganda. Then mix. Ganyan lang. Then add your vanilla essence, 1 teaspoon. Mix lang and then set it aside. And then you're also going to mix your egg whites. Kailangan nyo siyang gawing meringues. So, dagdagan natin siya ng asukal. Mga 4 na kutsarita or kutsara ang ginamit ko. 4 tablespoons of sugar to make it crispy like this. A little bit more. So, it's almost like, you're making a merengue. Ganyan. And you're going to mix the two together. Like this. Mix. Mix the two mixture. Do not overmix. And I put it all together. And then we're going to put it into our piping plastic like this. Or, di naman kailangan. Maarte lang ako ngayon. Kasi nag-iinarte yung tagaluto. Kaya, eto. It's our midnight snack actually. And then, like this. So simple. And easy. Nilagyan ko lang siya ng konting mantika. Ang ating pan, non-stick pan. Konti lang po. As in, yung parang i-brush mo lang siya ng sobrang konting-konti lang. Then, cover it. And then you also have to add a little bit of water because yung water po yung mag-i-steam ng ating pancake. Ganito lang siya kadali. Then I add a little bit more because gusto ko siyang maging fluffy. And then once you're done, and remember, the heat is just low. So, wag masyadong malakas yung apoy. Nasa low lang po tayo. Nasa number 2. And after you cover, check. You see? It's fluffy. Nice. And do the same thing. Flip it upside down. And then you're going to add a little bit of water and cover. Like that. Parang umulan lang ng sobrang konti din. Cover and then look at it. Transfer it into your plate. You can add butter, maple syrup. Since wala kaming maple syrup, ang ginamit ko po ay strawberry jam. So, ganyan lang. Kadali gumawa ng ating fluffy Japanese pancake. O, diba? So, ito na yun. I'll going to make it ready dahil ibibigay ko ito kay Mr. Viking. Si Mr. Viking ang unang makakatikim ng aming niluluto. So, Yes, that's it. Very simple. You can put your favorite types of or any kinds of toppings that you wanted to. Jam, maple syrup, anything. You can also add sour cream. You decide dahil ikaw naman ang kakain. So, bon appetit! So, mag-design-design tayo ng konti. Pwede kang gumawa. Parang nag-drawing ka lang o kaya nagpipinta. Like this one. O yan, di ba? Bulaklak naman tayo. So, pinabayaan ko na siya sa kay Stephanie. Si Stephanie na yung gumawa nito. Kaya, ayan, nasira. Muntik nang masira yung bulaklak. Pero naputol na po yung bulaklak sa kanyang katawan. Pero, nice pa rin ang resulta.